Hi everyone, if you are a data engineer, then this video is for you. Today I'm going to discuss about the data engineering interview question which has been asked in one of the interview taken by MNC. So one of my subscriber have attended recently an interview into the MNC and he have been asked with this question. So we have to find the employee eligibility for the overtime pay. So suppose if any employee who have been spent on office more than 8 hours, then he will be eligible for the extra hours pay. So how we will calculate that? So by looking over here, right, we have a table employee ID, employee name, in time and out time. Okay. So for that particular time, oh, we can add the date as well. We have the date column as well. So let's add for the date. So if you look over here, we have date for the particular date. It's a in time, out time, and public holiday. By looking this, we can say that if we will subtract out time from the in time, we will get that. But if we'll start doing that, we will get the error. So how we will achieve that? So what we will do, we will put the where condition and we will put in time. Okay, and in time, not like uh, public. So just we will give percent public. So if there will be any character related to public, it will get negotiated. So now we have get the date time value, right? So what we will do, we will calculate the difference, right? So we will cast it first into the second, then we will differentiate it. So we have now what we have to do, we have to find the time spent. So we can see, right, how much time a particular employee have been spent. So on the basis of now we have to set the eligibility. So what we will do, we will write time A as, we will select star, then we will type the case statement when time spent. So let's keep this from time A and we will give time spent is greater than 8 hours. Okay, so just we will give 8 hours, then eligible, else not, and we will give the end as extra pay. Okay, now we will look into this and we can check. So we can see right, we are getting now. So see, it has been spent more than 8 hours, right? So it's eligible.